No matter where we are or what we do, we consume energy. In apartments, in public, in commercial buildings, and on the road. But just who uses how much energy and who pays for what? That's where energy meters step in. The requirements for revenue-grade meters are increasing. Planners need meters that are easy to select and configure. Installers and service contractors need an energy meter that's easy to commission and integrate into existing systems in less time, enabling them to complete more projects. And of course, building owners and facility managers want an energy meter that delivers reliable data, certified for billing and budgeting. One that can be accessed from anywhere. An energy meter that lowers the cost of operation while providing maximum revenue capture. Now, there's an energy meter that brings all these benefits together. E-Mon Class 6000 from Honeywell.